My name is Joy Bethel, and I have been a chiropractic patient of Dr. Shapiro's for about 3.5 years. And while here one day, I saw a flyer on his wall for neuropathy, and it listed many of the symptoms. And as I was reading through the symptoms, I realized I had 3 or 4 of those. So I scheduled an appointment with him to go through the different testing. And he was great. He explained everything so well. He was very patient with me. And to make a very long story short, I started my therapy probably about 2.5, 3 months ago. And within 2 to 3 weeks, I was already seeing results. My symptoms were numbness in my feet and my toes, pins and needles, and a burning sensation. I couldn't wear socks. Most shoes I couldn't wear, and the covers on at night, I had to throw them off. So it was not debilitating, but it was very uncomfortable. And within 2 to 3 weeks, I started seeing results. So it has been wonderful. I would highly recommend this treatment if you've got those type of symptoms. And also, I want to say Dr. Shapiro's staff has been amazing. They've been extremely helpful, explain things, patient with me. So yes, I would highly recommend it to anyone that has any type of neuropathy problems.
I came in because of an ad in a newspaper. And I kind of figured I had a neuropathy, and I was proven to be correct. And it has helped. To me, it's 100%. Is it really perfect? No, but I tell you, it is so much better than I've ever expected. You know, it's just been wonderful. It's been an experience. The girls are great. They take very, very good care of you, and Dr. Shapiro is great. He's wonderful. And I like him a lot. I like the girls. The office is wonderful, and very neat, very clean, and I've enjoyed my experience here.
Would you recommend somebody coming here?
I would definitely recommend
Oh,
people coming here. In fact, I kind of rave about it, and people said to me, "Oh, well, are you sure you had neuropathy?" I said, yes, because I had burning, not so much burning in my feet, but numbness and my balance. My balance still is not perfect. I'm not expecting perfect. You can't, in 9 weeks, you cannot expect perfect. But I am going to continue doing some of the exercises and things that were given to me at the beginning. And hopefully we will not lose anything that we've gained.
wonderful.
Hi, my name is Bonnie Meyer, and I've been seeing Dr. Shapiro since, January, March, April, May, June, about 6 months. And I had a very serious spinal problem with scoliosis and very curvature in my spine, especially at the bottom. And I also have neuropathy in my left leg as a result of a mistake another doctor made when he was doing vein ablations on my leg. Anyway, my leg went numb about 2 years ago, I guess it was. And I have not been able to it's gotten numb, and I had no other, I couldn't find anyone else that would do any treatments for it except Dr. Shapiro. And it has really helped. I have more feeling in my leg now than I had before. And I'm a dancer. I love to dance. And it's helping me to continue dancing. And he's really helping me with my spinal problem. I had a lot of back pain, and I have very, very little now. The pain is minimal compared to what I had before. And I've recommended Dr. Shapiro to my brother and sister-in-law, and they're coming here too for similar things.
My name is Barbara Brown, and I heard about this through Dosa Vida, our park that we in, and the doctor came out and talked to us there. And I had noticed my feet were going very numb, and I couldn't feel them. I was tripping on things because I didn't know it was there. So I went and had the program, and it really helped. Now I can feel my feet again. I still have a few pains in that left, but it's a lot better than what it was before. The pain is different. It's a duller pain, and the bottoms of my feet don't hurt as much either. And I also wanted to compliment the staff. They are wonderful. They're very helpful. They're very friendly. They explain things to you and answer any questions that you might have. I have thoroughly enjoyed them.
For over 60 is here, Don Taylor. He is here for neuropathy in his feet. And from the foot doctor, they wanted to amputate 2 toes. And I wanted him to come in here to at least give him a try to see if he could help with the circulation in his toes and in his feet. Before we came here, I could not even touch his toes. They were so tender. And now I can massage him and do his water bath and pedicures. I've done pedicures forever. But
and she can draw the blanket over my feet without hurting me.
I've been after him for a long time because he was having the red toe, and when we took him to the surgeon, that they wanted to amputate both of the toes, but because he had no oxygen going to the toes,
I had no
oxygen going to the toes, so then they couldn't do it.
no circulation.
No circulation to the toes, so they wouldn't do the surgery, and they figured because he's so old, they wouldn't do it anyway. But then when I went to the health fair at Sunland Village is where I got Dr. Shapiro's card, and the minute I saw Palmer, graduate, that is the chiropractor that saved his brother. Mm-hmm. So I came in that same day and made an appointment for myself. So I've been here since February. And then when I knew you were doing neuropathy, I said, Don, you've got to go see my doctor and get the test done. And that was a month ago.
And what differences are you seeing now?
Oh my gosh. I can't believe the difference. He doesn't have to put his shoes on to walk on the wood floors to go to the bathroom, where he couldn't walk at all without shoes on. Mm-hmm. And now he can.
Hello, my name is Kayleen Banks, and I have neuropathy in my feet, really bad. My feet have been numb for years with immense pain inside. I would lose hours of sleep every night because of the shooting pain in my feet. And then I went to Dr. Shapiro, and he told me about this neuropathy. It is wonderful. The other day I was standing in my bathroom getting ready, and that rug that I haven't been able to feel for years, I'm standing there going, I can feel the rug. Yes, I can feel the rug. Okay? I haven't been able to feel it for like 3 years. And then this morning I got dressed and put my shoes on that I've had these shoes for 2 years. When I bought them, I bought them because I liked them. I couldn't feel them on my feet. I put them on this morning. I can feel them. I can feel my feet. I can feel the floor. It's wonderful. So I would recommend this to anyone. Beg, borrow, steal, whatever you have to do, because it's worth it. It's not psychological, and that you can get your feeling back, and the pain will go away. Hopefully. It did for me. Thanks.